Oh no, 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 no! Bridge broken! I love my work. What is it? Let's go!
I can go.
What's happening? Why are you stopped?
First stop.
All right, cars, move along.
All right, I'm late to work. There is a first time when I go to work early, but bridge is broke. It's not fair.
There is nothing to see here. I don't agree with you at all. There is nothing to do.
What's up?
It was very kind of you to do it. This is police car calling.
How can I help you?
Fix the bridge.
Okay, we will bring building materials.
Thank you for calling helicopter. How can I help you?
Please, fix the bridge.
Okay, fly out.
Whoa! Thanks, helicopter. Bye-bye.
No problem.
Wow! Rainbow cubes. Thanks you, yellow truck.
I'm going backwards. I'm cool.
Whoa! More rainbow cubes. I love it. Thanks you, blue truck. Amazing!
I'm so slowly.
Thank you, roller truck. Wow, unbelievable. This is the best bridge in the world. Cool.
Good, but I'm late. Faster.
Faster.
I love bridge. Stand by.
Whoa, I love my city.